yourself, child. Never ever give up in life. Nothing is impossible for you, child. Nothing is impossible for you.
Yes, I will do it. I will never give up.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू है सब कुछ टूवर्ड्स में रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों पे रख दे थैंक्स अ लॉट lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम thanks a lot lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot
students, inspire them to blossom in life. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are grateful for your service, ma'am.
Now, let's take a moment to introduce Zakira ma'am, a gentle guide and a patient mentor. Mrs. Zakira ma'am works with the students like a true pilgrim of hope. Thank you ma'am for your great service. Congratulations.
Next up, we have Neelima ma'am. With dedication and grace, Neelima ma'am guides her students patiently on their learning journey. She inspires the pilgrims of hope that steady effort and gentle encouragement can lead every child towards success and confidence. Heartfelt congratulations on your great achievement, and we are extremely thankful for your service.
It's my honor to present Varalakshmi ma'am, graceful and devoted. Varalakshmi ma'am enriches her students' lives with wisdom and kindness. She inspires the pilgrims of hope that blessings come through dedication and perseverance. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication.
It's my pleasure to introduce V. Nakumari ma'am. Strong and compassionate, Nakumari ma'am uplifts her students with care. She reminds them that hope gives courage to walk bravely on life's journey. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication.
Here, presenting G. Sridevi ma'am. Radiant like her name, Sridevi ma'am brings confidence and energy into her teaching. She enlists in her students the pilgrim of hope that dreams are achieved through faith and effort. Heartfelt congratulations on a great achievement. We are extremely thankful for your service.
Now, I would like to take a moment to introduce Angelina ma'am. Full of care and compassion, Angelina ma'am encourages her students to believe in themselves. She teaches them that hope makes every journey beautiful. Congratulations with gratitude ma'am, and we are extremely thankful for your service.
Now, let's welcome K. Sridevi ma'am. With nurturing spirit, Sridevi ma'am helps her students grow with confidence. She teaches that hope is the seed from which knowledge blooms. Congratulations ma'am, and thank you for your service.
Now, I would like to introduce M. Bhanureka ma'am. Radiant and graceful, Bhanureka ma'am enriches her students with wisdom. She reminds them that a pilgrim of hope shines brightest when walking with faith. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you, ma'am.
Introducing Padmavati ma'am. Like a lotus in bloom, Padmavati ma'am inspires the students to rise above challenges with grace. She teaches that hope blossoms even in testing times. Congratulations ma'am, and thank you for your service.
Now, I would like to introduce Pawan sir. With energy and commitment, Pawan sir inspires his students to walk confidently. His hopeful spirit encourages them to believe that every step forward matters. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you, sir. We are extremely thankful for your service.
Now let's give a quick intro about Mallikarjuna sir. With the heart for service and a mind for discipline, Mallikarjuna sir encourages students to strive for excellence. His guidance reflects the pilgrim spirit, leading with vision, patience and hope. Congratulations sir, and thank you for your service.
Next up, I want to introduce Anil sir, a teacher who lights the path with clarity and enthusiasm. Anil sir inspires his students to dream big. His passion for teaching makes him a true pilgrim of hope, walking alongside the young with joy and dedication. Thank you and congratulations on this honor, sir.
Here, it's indeed a privilege to introduce Chakravarti sir. With wisdom and dedication, Chakravarti sir journeys with his students as a mentor who not only imparts lessons but also shapes character. His steady presence brings strength and hope to those who teaches. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition, sir. We are grateful for your service.
Now, let's take a moment to introduce you to Vivek sir. True to his name, Vivek sir awakens the spirit of knowledge and values in his students. His teaching is a journey of hope, guiding young minds towards purpose and resilience. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication. We are extremely thankful for your service, sir.
Here, presenting Anjaneya sir, also fondly known as Bose sir. Dedicated and inspiring, Bose sir walks with his student as a true mentor. His hopeful guidance
Chandrasekhar sir. With calm strength and vision, Chandrasekhar sir encourages his students to aim high. He teaches that hope leads every pilgrim towards greater heights. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are grateful for your service, sir. Thank you.
I would like to take this opportunity to introduce Sagar sir, dedicated and inspiring. Sagar sir leads with his students with vision. He reminds them that every pilgrim of hope must walk with courage and determination. Congratulations sir, and thank you for your service.
Now introducing Ali sir. Gentle and wise, Ali sir guides his students with patience. He reminds them that hope and determination together lead to success. We are extremely thankful for your service, sir. Congratulations.
Now let's take a moment to introduce Vinod sir. Calm and committed, Vinod sir guides his students with patience. He inspires the hope that study always leads to lasting success. Thank you sir for your service and congratulations.
Now I request our correspondent, Sister Gracie, to honor them with a shawl and our principal, Sister Rajita, to Sirisha ma'am. With calmness and sincerity, Sirisha ma'am guides her students faithfully. She
Now let's introduce Hema Mala Miss. Caring and sincere, Hema Mala ma'am encourages her students to believe in themselves. She teaches that hope flourishes when hearts are filled with kindness. Thank you ma'am for your great service and congratulations.
Next up, we have Sirisha ma'am. With calmness and sincerity, Sirisha ma'am guides her students faithfully. She
Yamini ma'am, with strength and sincerity, Yamini ma'am leads her students with care. She teaches that hope gives courage to life challenges with peace. Thank you Miss for your service and congratulations.
Next up, we have C.H. Purna Jyoti ma'am. Radiant like a full light, Purna Jyoti ma'am inspires her students with positivity. She teaches that hope shines brightest when shared with others. Congratulations, and we are extremely thankful for your service ma'am.
Now I would like to introduce you all to Monica ma'am. Bright as moonlight, Monica ma'am inspires calm and confidence. She guides her students with the hopeful message that light always follows darkness. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are grateful for your service ma'am.
Now, I would like to introduce Himabindu ma'am. As refreshing as dew, Himabindu ma'am brings calmness and clarity to learning. She teaches her students that every pilgrim's heart is renewed by hope. Thank you and congratulations on this honor ma'am.
Now we have Shalini ma'am, carrying truth and grace. Shalini Devi ma'am inspires integrity. She reminds her students that hope is strongest when it walks hand in hand with truth. Thank you Miss for your service and congratulations on the well-deserved recognition.
Now, I would like to introduce Prashanti ma'am. Peaceful and composed, Prashanti ma'am creates a calm atmosphere of learning. She teaches her students that hope is rooted in peace of heart. Congratulations ma'am, and we are extremely thankful for your service.
Let's give a quick intro about Praveena CLR ma'am. Dedicated and confident, Praveena ma'am encourages her students to believe in themselves. She inspires them with the hopeful assurance that hard work always bears fruit. Thank you Miss for your service and congratulations on this honor.
Now, let's take a moment to introduce Porita ma'am. Graceful and vibrant, Porita ma'am enriches her students' journey with joy. She shows that hope blossoms when life is lived with positivity and love. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication. We are extremely thankful for your service.
Let's take a moment to introduce Dhanashree ma'am. Precious like her name, Dhanashree ma'am brings richness to her students' life. She enlists in her the pilgrims of hope that true wealth lies in knowledge and virtue. Thank you Miss for your service. We are extremely grateful for it and congratulations.
Now, I would like to talk about Renu Priyadarshini ma'am. Radiant and graceful, Renu Priyadarshini ma'am inspires her students with warmth. She teaches that hope blossoms when we walk with joy and gratitude. Heartfelt congratulations on your great achievement. We are extremely thankful for your service ma'am.
Now welcoming Maruti ma'am. Steadfast and committed. Maruti ma'am guides her students with strength. She assures them that with hope and hard work, every pilgrim can reach their destination. Congratulations ma'am and thank you for your service.
Now, I would like to talk about Kanak Lakshmi ma'am. Strong yet graceful, Kanak Lakshmi ma'am embodies resilience. She inspires her students with the hopeful message that true strength is found in wisdom and kindness. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you ma'am.
Here presenting Usha Miss. Like the early rays of dawn, Usha ma'am brings freshness and inspiration. She guides her students with the hopeful light of new beginnings. Thank you Miss for your service and congratulations on this honor.
Now, let's talk about Kanakaratna ma'am. Precious like her name, Kanakaratna ma'am enriches her students' lives with wisdom. She reminds them that hope is the true treasure of every pilgrim. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you ma'am.
Let's give a quick intro about Rosary Miss. Graceful and faithful, Rosary ma'am inspires her students to trust in God's guidance. She shows that
Shakuntala ma'am. Gentle and nurturing, Shakuntala ma'am cares for her students with patience. She reminds them that hope grows steadily when watered with love. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication, and we are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am.
It's my honor to introduce Manjula ma'am. Manjula ma'am brings sweetness and gentleness into her teaching. She assures her students that hope is nurtured in an atmosphere of kindness and joy. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are grateful for your service, ma'am.
Now, I request our correspondent mentoring, Malati ma'am inspires perseverance. She reminds her students that hope blossoms in hearts that never give up. Thank you ma'am for your service and we are extremely grateful to you. Congratulations.
It's a privilege to welcome V. Nirmala Jyoti ma'am, pure and radiant like her name. Nirmala ma'am brings clarity and light. She guides the students with a hopeful belief that truth and wisdom always shines through. Congratulations on this honor and we are forever thankful for your service.
Now let's talk about Shobha Rani ma'am. Graceful and dignified, Shobha Rani ma'am uplifts her students with encouragement. She reminds them that hope adds beauty and strength to every journey. Thank you and congratulations on this honor ma'am.
Now let's welcome Durga Rani ma'am. With strength and determination, Durga Rani ma'am inspires courage in her students. She enlists the hope that no obstacle is too great when faced with resilience and faith. Congratulations on this honor and we are forever grateful for your service.
Now introducing Lakshmi Devi ma'am, symbol of prosperity and grace. Lakshmi Devi ma'am nurtures her students with patience. Her hopeful teaching shows that true wealth lies in knowledge and values. Thank you ma'am for your service and congratulations.
Now I request our correspondent Sister Gracie to honor them with a shawl and our principal Sister Radhika to honor them with a memento and our
Both the sister.
staff members of group 4 please be ready.
Sister. Good.
Everyone please keep cheering for them. They are all your beloved teachers. Please give them a big round of applause.
Sisters.
The stage and receive our honor. M. Subra ma'am, M. Anuja ma'am, P. Bindu ma'am, B. Kanakadurga ma'am, D. Satyashri ma'am, T. Ramadevi ma'am, J. Suvardhavani ma'am, T. Sasikala ma'am, P. Navina ma'am, Sandhya Sunil ma'am, M. Delphin ma'am, D. Nazia Sultana ma'am,
Yes, yes,
J. Nirima ma'am, K. Anusha ma'am, T. Sandhya Rani ma'am, A. Anjali Kusuma ma'am, K. Tapita Rajkumari ma'am, K. Pavani ma'am, B. Rajeshwari ma'am, and M. Dhanajyoti ma'am. I request the following teachers to please come on the stage.
Sister.
Now, I would like to introduce M. Subhana ma'am. Known for her gentle nature, Subhana ma'am inspires truth and warmth. She reminds her students that hope flourishes best in an atmosphere of love and kindness. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations on receiving the honor.
Sister.
Now presenting Anuya ma'am. Anuya ma'am embodies the joy of discovery. She inspires her students with a hopeful belief.
We will not ring loud. Okay, we will be continuing the program. Students can go home if your parents have come. Those who are in the program, you remain because we don't want to disappoint you. Soon after this, we will continue.
To be brave with dreams. She inspires hope that true strength lies in wisdom.
Satyashri ma'am embodies the essence of hopeful living. She encourages her students to walk in honesty and faith, trusting the light that guides them. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you ma'am.
Now introducing Rama Devi ma'am. Steadfast and gentle. Rama Devi
Navina ma'am inspires her students to look at life with new eyes. She walks as a hopeful pilgrim, renewing spirits with creativity and positivity. We are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am, and congratulations. Now, let's talk about Sandhya Sunil ma'am. Gender like the evening glow, Sandhya ma'am creates a peaceful atmosphere of learning. Her presence assures students that hope shines brightest when the heart is calm. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are extremely grateful for your service, ma'am. Thank you.
Now introducing Delphin ma'am. With elegance and warmth, Delphin ma'am guides her students with care. She embodies the pilgrim of hope, showing that steadfast faith leads to steady growth. Congratulations on this honor, ma'am. Thank you.
Now, let's talk about the Nazia Sultana ma'am. Nazia ma'am's dedication to her students is an anchor of hope. She reminds every learner that perseverance and faith are the true companions of life's pilgrimage. We are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am, and congratulations.
Now welcoming J. Nilima ma'am. Graceful and serene, Nilima ma'am fills her classroom with understanding and kindness. Her hopeful spirit strongens the young learners to walk confidently in the future. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication.
Now, let's take a moment to talk about K. Anusha ma'am. Bright and encouraging, Anusha ma'am inspires her students to embrace challenges with courage. She walks alongside them as a fellow pilgrim of hope, nurturing their growth. We are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am, and congratulations.
Now introducing me Sandhya Rani ma'am. Like the beauty of twilight, Sandhya Rani ma'am brings comfort and assurance. She teaches that every ending carries the hope of a new beginning in the pilgrim's journey. Congratulations on this honor, ma'am. Thank you for your service.
Now, I would like to talk about A. Anjali Kusuma ma'am. Graceful like a flower, Anjali Kusuma ma'am nurtures her students with care. She inspires hope by reminding them that growth is natural when hearts are open and spirits are willing. Congratulations, gratitude for dedication. We are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am.
Now introducing K. Kavita ma'am. Kavita ma'am strength and dedication makes her a steady companion on the journey of learning. Her faithful teaching encourages courage and hope in every child she guides. Thank you ma'am for your service. We will be forever grateful for that.
Now, let's talk about K. Pavani ma'am. Pavani ma'am embodies perseverance and positivity. She helps her students face challenges with hope, showing them that every step forward is part of the larger pilgrimage of life. Thank you for your service, ma'am, and congratulations. Now, let's introduce D. Rajeshwari ma'am. Rajeshwari ma'am is a strong pillar of guidance. With wisdom and encouragement, she helps her students remain hopeful, firm, and faithful in their educational journey. We are extremely thankful for your service, ma'am, and congratulations.
Now introducing Gamna Jyoti ma'am. As her name reflects, she is the light of knowledge. Gamna Jyoti ma'am uplifts her students with wisdom and hope, assuring them that learning leads to a better tomorrow. Thank you, Miss, for your service. We will forever be grateful for that.
Now, I request our correspondent, Sister Gracie, to honor them with a shot, our principal. learning a joyful journey. Her hopeful spirit shows students that education is not just about knowledge, but about walking with courage and conviction. Thank you, ma'am, for your service and congratulations on the honor.
C.H. Bharati ma'am, carrying the torch of wisdom, Bharati ma'am strengthens her students with values and confidence. Her presence assures that every pilgrim of hope has a guide lighting the way. Thank you ma'am for your service. We will be forever grateful for it. Now introducing K. Deepti ma'am. As her name suggests, Deepti ma'am shines as a gentle light in the lives of her students. She encourages them to move forward with hope, showing that every small spark can dispel the inner darkness. Thank you ma'am for your service. We will be forever grateful for it.
Now introducing G. Sajani ma'am. Sajani ma'am teaches with compassion and quiet strength. Her hopeful approach assures every learner that no journey is too difficult when walked with patience and perseverance. Congratulations on the well-deserved recognition. We are grateful for your now talking about why Santa Kumari ma'am. With calmness and serenity, Santa Kumari ma'am models the spirit of a true pilgrim. She teaches that hope blossoms when we walk gently, respecting both the path and the people who share it. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication, ma'am. We are extremely thankful for your service.
Let's give a quick intro about Sheikh Amina ma'am. With dedication and warmth, Amina ma'am guides her students faithfully. She teaches that every pilgrim of hope is strengthened through perseverance. Thank you ma'am for your service and congratulations on this honor.
Now introducing K. Chandurani ma'am. Dignified and caring, Chandurani ma'am encourages her students to work bravely. She inspires hope that strength and gentleness go hand in hand. Thank you and congratulations on this honor, ma'am.
Now introducing Sheikh Saira ma'am. Graceful and compassionate, Saira ma'am uplifts her students with encouragement. She reminds them that hope lights the way to every challenge. Thank you ma'am for your service and congratulations on this honor.
Now let's take a moment to talk about K. Kamala. Kamala ma'am nurtures her students with patience. She inspires them to bloom with hope even in difficult times. Congratulations, ma'am, and thank you for your service.
Now introducing N. Ratna Kumari ma'am. Precious like a jewel, Ratna ma'am enriches her students' journey. She assures them that hope is the brightest treasure one can carry. Congratulations on a well-deserved recognition ma'am. We are forever grateful for your service.
Now it's my honor to introduce K. Sujana ma'am. Gentle and wise, Sujana ma'am inspires her students with thoughtfulness. She reminds them that hope flourishes where wisdom guides.
Now introducing Vijay Harika ma'am. Carrying the spirit of victory and devotion, Vijaya ma'am encourages her students to walk with faith. She teaches that hope makes every achievement meaningful. Congratulations ma'am and thank you for your service. Now introducing Sabita ma'am. With warmth and dedication, Sabita ma'am nurtures her students faithfully. She inspires the pilgrim of hope that love and kindness shapes the future. Congratulations on this honor ma'am. We will be forever grateful for your service.
Now that kindness lights the path forward. Thank you for your service, ma'am, and congratulations. Now talking about Rosary Prasanna ma'am. Faithful and graceful, Rosary ma'am encourages her students to walk in light. She inspires their life is a gift to be cherished. Thank you for your service, ma'am, and congratulations.
Now let's
N. Padmaja ma'am, Penelope Andrews ma'am, S.K. Gausia ma'am, Sirisha ma'am, C.H. Monica ma'am, B. Suhasini ma'am, Evangeline Royal ma'am, C.H. Priyanka ma'am, N. Anuradha ma'am, K. Lavanya ma'am, S. Soumya ma'am, R. Shobha Ravina Drew ma'am, G. Jyotsna ma'am, Ramakrishna sir, and Swarnajyoti ma'am.
Now introducing Padmaja ma'am. Gentle and dear students with sincerity. She
Andrews ma'am. With grace and wisdom, Penelope ma'am nurtures her students faithfully. She inspires them to walk with hope and integrity on life's path. Congratulations on the honor ma'am and thank you for your service. Now, talking about S.K. Gausia Begum ma'am. Caring and committed, Gausia ma'am guides her students with patience. She reminds them that hope flourishes where there is faith and perseverance. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations.
Now introducing Sirisha ma'am. Sincere and gentle, Sirisha ma'am encourages her students with compassion. She inspires the pilgrim of hope that kindness leads to strength. Now, congratulations on this honor ma'am. We'll be forever grateful for your service. Introducing Monica ma'am. Bright and joyful, Monica ma'am encourages her students to face challenges positively. She teaches them that hope creates new possibilities. Thank you ma'am for your service. We'll be forever grateful for it.
Now, talking about B. Suhasini ma'am. Lively and dedicated, Suhasini ma'am inspires her students with energy. She reminds them that hope makes every step of the pilgrim's journey worthwhile. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations.
Wait.
Now, talking about Evangeline Royal ma'am. Graceful and inspiring, Evangeline ma'am guides her students with wisdom. She teaches that hope makes every journey meaningful and purposeful. Thank you and congratulations on this honor ma'am.
Let's give a quick intro about CS Priyanka ma'am. Joyful and encouraging, Priyanka ma'am inspires her students to grow with confidence. She assures them that hope makes every challenge easier to overcome. Congratulations on this honor ma'am. We'll be forever grateful for this service.
Now presenting G. Uma Jyoti ma'am. Radiant and nurturing, Uma Jyoti ma'am strengthens her students with guidance. She teaches that hope lights the way even in difficult times. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations.
I would like Sister Gita Shaw and our principal Sister Rajika to honor them with
Now talking about Mukesh Bharti ma'am. Dedicated and graceful, Bharti ma'am inspires her students with care. She reminds them that hope is the foundation for lasting success. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations. Now talking about Bibiana O'Brien ma'am. Warm and vibrant, Bibiana ma'am uplifts her students with kindness. She inspires the pilgrims of hope that love transforms learning into joy. Congratulations with gratitude for dedication. We are extremely thankful for your service ma'am.
now introducing Miss Lily Drew ma'am. Radiant and caring, Lily ma'am fills her classroom with joy. She reminds her students that hope is the light that makes learning beautiful. Congratulations on this honor ma'am and we'll be forever grateful for it.
Now talking about N. Anuradha ma'am. With wisdom and dedication, Anuradha ma'am uplifts her students. She reminds them that a pilgrim's hope is strengthened through faith and perseverance. Warm thanks and heartfelt congratulations to you ma'am.
Let's do a quick intro about K. Lavanya ma'am. Full of grace and warmth, Lavanya ma'am inspires her students to embrace learning joyfully. She assures them that hope adds beauty to every step of
Soumya ma'am. Calm and composed, Soumya ma'am nurtures her students with gentle care. She reminds them that hope is peace and strength for life journey. Thank you for your service ma'am and congratulations.
Now introducing Shobha Rani ma'am. Graceful and warm, Shobha Rani ma'am uplifts her students with encouragement. She teaches that hope adds
Sister,
dignity
lift them on.
to every step. Congratulations ma'am and thank you for your service.
Now presenting R. Arnav towards their dreams. Thank you, ma'am, for your service and congratulations.
Now, let's talk about Ram Krishna sir, also known as Chandy sir.
Anna.
Always ready to lend a helping hand. He carries out his responsibility with quite a
Yes,
commitment
Anna.
and a cheerful spirit. We deeply appreciate his contribution and thank him for his tireless support in the school. Congratulations, sir. We'll be forever grateful for your service.
Sister. Okay.
Now, talking about Swarna Jyoti ma'am. Swarna Jyoti means golden light. It reminds us that knowledge dispels darkness.
Teachers for accepting our honor. Kindly excuse us, sometimes we were rushing because we have very short and lack of time. We couldn't go in a relaxed way. So don't feel bad because don't compare one group we have done very slowly and other group we have rushed. That is not the matter. The main thing is that we have honored you or not. That is the thing. So kindly excuse if it is done. Thank you for accepting our cake cutting as we have Jubilee for 2025, occasion of Jubilee year 2025. So we cannot invite all the staff here, but few names we have taken class-wise. They come on to the stage for cake cutting. Then after that we will be having wishing song. Later, soon after this we will continue the cultural items because students they have prepared. Maybe after some time if you go and serve and you can enjoy that program also.
Kumari ma'am, Mrs. Sandhya Sunil ma'am, Mrs. P. Bindu ma'am, Mrs. K. Shobha Rani ma'am, Mrs.